Okay, e-bikers, this here's my first e-bike I've ever owned. I now have 4, but the other day I was riding this one and the back wheel was making a banging sound, and I couldn't figure out what it was until I researched it and found out that the spokes right around the valve stem on the wheel were real loose. So I made sure and got them all tight, but I did find one spoke that was broke, and I haven't researched that yet to see where to get spokes for this thing. This is a 2019. It's a 36 volt, and I also got it wired up for dual batteries, so I can run a 10 amp battery plus a 20 amp battery, so that's 30 amp hour batteries on this one. Gives you long distance. It's a lot of fun to ride. So any questions, let me know. Please subscribe. Thank you.